Today we will discuss piecewise function. So what is piecewise function? A piecewise function is a collection of functions defined in different intervals of x. So what does that mean? Two or more pieces of sub-functions written or graphed together in separate intervals to make a function. So let's see some example from piecewise function. Example is fx equals to 2x minus 1 when x is less than equals to 3, then x square when x is between 3 and 6, then again x plus 5 when x is greater than 6. See, here those three are functions, separate functions, and they are defined in different intervals, and when they are written together, then it is called piecewise function. To get answer of your math question, please contact me. My contact details is given in the description box. So how to graph piecewise function? To graph, let's have an example. Fx equals to 3x minus 5 when x is less than equals to 2 and x plus 1 when x is greater than 2. For all those two functions, we will make tables. For the first one, the table is like this. For x equals to minus 1, y is minus 8. Then for x equals to 0, y is minus 5, and so on. For the next one, here is another table for that. Here, see, I have made for x equals to 2, I have made y equals to 3. When we put x equals to 2 here, 2 plus 1 is 3. But 2 was not really here because 2 was with the first function here, because here x was less than equals to 2. In the second one, x was just greater than 2. But we can get close to 2, say 2.00001 or something. For that, y will be really close to 3. Now let's graph this. To graph this, we will plot the given points. After plotting the first box here, I have got this line from x equals to minus 1, 8 to here is minus 1, 8 and here is 2, 1. Then I am going to plot this second box. After plotting this, I got that. See, at 2, 3 here, 2, 3, I got that open circle because x was not really equals to 2 for this second function. So I have made it an open circle. A black one I have made here, and then I have joined this with a line. This is how graph the piecewise function. For when x equals to 2, then I have made a closed circle here. If it was like x less than 2, then I had to make a open circle here too, if it was. But it is not because we have equal to here. So I just made a closed circle here. I hope you understood. Another example. Example 2 is fx equals to x plus 3 when x is less than equals to minus 3, 4 when x is between minus 3 and 4, and 2x minus 5 when x is greater than 4. So for the first function, let's make a table. I have made a table here. I have taken few values for x which are less than minus 3. I have taken minus 6, minus 5, minus 4 and of course minus 3 because here we had equal to sign. For these x values, I have found these y values. I have plugged these x values in that function x plus 3 and I have gotten all these y values. Now let's plot that. I am plotting this first table here. I have plotted these points and I have joined and I got this line. Then I am going to make a table for this second function. This is in blue and I got this table here again, which is between minus 3 and 4. But see, here I have considered x equals to minus 3 because x can get really close to minus 3 and greater than minus 3 at the same time. Say minus 2.999 something, then y will be really close to 4 because y is constant here when x is between minus 3 to 4. Similarly, I have gotten all those values here. I have taken minus 1, 2. I could have taken x equals to 0, 2, but I have just taken all these values. And at 4 again, x could be smaller than 4, but it can be really close to 4, say 3.999 something. For that, again y is equals to 4. I am going to plot all these points here. At x equals to minus 3, see, I have made an open circle here because there was no equal to sign here or here. I am going to plot the other points. Here again I have made an open circle because here was not equal to sign either. Then I am going to join this from here to here. So we have drawn this second function too. Now I am going to draw the third function. For that, let's make a table. I have made this table here. Here see, x equals to 4 is here. So at x equals to 4, I got y equals to 3. 2 times 4 is 8, minus 5 is 3. So 4, 3, let's plot it here. It is a closed circle. Notice here is the equal sign. For this part, we got that equal sign here. So I have made closed circle here. Then I took few values which are greater than 4. So 5, 6, 7. For all those, I got this y values. And then I am going to just plot these points here and here and here. Then let's join this with a line. So this is the complete graph, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. And in the comment box, please give me suggestions for my next videos. Thank you for watching.